Pollution, a condition of the world we live in. A clean environment is essential for all people, but even after 50 years of progressive change in pollution abatement, the global community continues to pump millions of tons of carbon emissions into the environment every minute of every day, and the rate is increasing. A simple solution to the problem: burn less fuel. But we know that is easier said than done. But what if you could reduce pollution every day for the rest of your life just by living the way you do now? A simple way to burn less fuel is use more solar energy. In just 1 hour, our sun beams more usable energy at our planet than we consume in an entire year. There is a new day coming, and you can help make it happen. I've been working in the solar energy business for over 40 years. I have seen a lot of technologies come and go, and not everything that's happened in solar energy in that time has been good for the people who've used the equipment. I just happen to think that what we're doing now is the most advanced and the best product that's ever been put out. We've designed and built an energy-efficient water heater that may be the most efficient water heater ever made. We call it Thermalux. The Thermalux unit could save over half the energy required to heat water. It probably has the longest life cycle of any water heater ever produced. That in and of itself allows it to save even more energy over time. It may save as many as 70 tons of carbon emissions over its lifetime. Just one single water heater.
The advantage of a solar water heating system is that you're going to knock out about 85% of the cost of heating your water. Your solar water heater is the second largest appliance in your home using energy after the air conditioner. And in many homes it's 25 to 30%. So being able to take out that huge amount of cost using free energy from the sun is just a great no-brainer.
Well, it's really been surprising because I've got the lowest electric bills I've had in 15 years now. I'm sure the utility doesn't like it, but I really enjoy it. Writing smaller checks every month.
Conventional solar water heaters are complicated, and they have a number of parts that are moving. They have pumps, they have valves, they have sensors, they have controls, they have piping, a whole number of things that can cause failure points. Thermalux probably has the longest life cycle of any other water heater that's ever been produced. There are no moving parts. We're using pure solar energy generated by PV panels to heat water through a custom element and a proprietary control. The element is made up of a custom element that's never been produced before that optimizes the use of solar energy. The element by itself is not enough. We have to have a control to measure the energy that's coming from the panels and regulate that going into the element. So we call it the intelligent element. The number one problem with the energy that we produce today to heat our water is that it causes pollution. There's a byproduct of burning a fuel to create electricity or to create heat to heat water.
So by putting this system in, instead of the utility burning coal or other fuel sources and creating pollution, we're taking advantage of free solar energy.
Thermalux is strictly an American-made product. We have a small crew that's developed this project. They've all put in long hours, they've done a lot of hard work, but we have an amazing product to show for it, and I'm really proud of them. Probably the greatest advancement will be in the market. Our product costs less to produce. We can sell it at a lower price to the end user. Therefore, more people can use it, and therefore, more conventional energy is offset. So the real innovation here is the cost. The world has the technology to employ solar energy now on a broad scale. And why we're not doing it is probably because people can't afford to use it. With Thermalux, we've created an appliance that can use solar energy every day. Our prototype is in the lobby of our business and provides our hot water. Well, we've designed and produced a game-changing technology. But before we can get into the market, we need funding. And we need the help of the community at large to give us money so that we can set up a manufacturing process, a shipping and receiving process, and quality controls, but more importantly, getting into the market. Because if we can't sell anything, then it's not going to go anywhere. So we have to have funds for an effective marketing campaign. We've worked very hard to bring a product to the market that is really going to do some good for lots of people in a lot of different ways. We really appreciate your sincere consideration of funding our project, and please tell a friend in the process.